Ang tipo kong negosyo. Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Mahahanap mo rin ang iyong perfect match, ang negosyong magsisilbing inspirasyon sa iyo at makapagpapaunlad ng iyong kabuhayan. Hindi lang door number 1, number 2 at number 3 ang magbubukas para sa iyo dahil samut-saring business ang matutuklasan sa Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo. Bukas na ba ang tindahan mo? Kasi bumenta ka na sa puso ko.
Kung trabaho ko ay isipin ka, malamang, yayaman ako sa kaka-overtime.
Miss, saan pwede magpa-register ng business name? Pwede ba? Sa tabi mo?
Dito sa negosyo ko, murang benta ko sa lahat. Dahil, sa'yo lang ako magmamahal.
Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Sina Tess Ramirez at Direktor Thelma Dumpit Murillo sa Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo.
Good morning! Magandang umaga ho ng Biyernes sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa edisyong ito ng Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo. Dito lamang po sa inyong himpilan, DZRB Radyo ng Bayan, 738 kHz sa inyong talapahitan at sa bayan din pong napapakinggan sa aming kapatid na himpilan, ang DWBR FM. Ako po si Tess Ramirez at this morning, instead na si Director Thelma Dumpit Murillo ang aking kasama ay si Miss Marela Jem Castro muna ngayon. Good morning sa iyo, Marels.
Good morning, Miss Tess. Ako po si Marela Jem Castro, number 9,486 sa inyong balota. Joke lang.
Ha?
Pansamantala niyong makakasama habang on leave pa ang beautiful bossing ng DTI Public Relations Office na si Director Thelma. This morning po, I shall be your personal entertainer today.
Entertainer. So, sasayaw ka.
Yes.
Kakantahan mo kami, ha?
Slow dance.
Mahalaga itong ating pagtutuunan ng pansin ngayong umaga, di ba, Marels? Ang
Yes.
ating tema ay walang iba kundi
Mommy's Day Out dahil nalalapit na ang Mother's Day.
Mother's
Sa
Day.
this Sunday na, no, Miss Tess? Meron na ba kayong preparations, surprises?
sa
Mother,
kanya-kanyang mga
ma-dear.
nanay natin, meron,
Yes.
di ba? Meron tayo iniisip na ipangre-regalo o kaya i-treat natin sila sa labas.
O kaya, bonding lang sa bahay,
Banding sa
pagluluto,
bahay.
pagluluto mo
Tutulungan
si nanay. Yes. Imbis na yun siya yung magluluto.
Oo, maganda yun eh. Mahalaga na napananatili yung magandang samahan, mabuting samahan sa loob ng pamilya.
True.
Sa episode na to ay tutulungan din po namin kayo na makakuha ng idea kung paano mapapaligaya ang inyong mga pinakamamahal na ina.
Kaya for all the moms out there, this one's for you.
Correct. Saka na po natin sa segmentong
Achy Breaky Business.
Bakit naman breaky business, Marels? Paiyakin ba natin si nanay?
Drama-rama sa umaga. Hindi naman, pero meron siyang challenges na na-overcome. Kaya pakinggan natin yan para matutunan din ng ating mga tagapakinig. Si Miss Clarissa Di Maculangan, Senior Program Manager ng Mga Likha ni Inay. O, di ba swak na swak? Yung kanyang brand name ay Mga Likha ni Inay. At napakaganda ng mga products nila. Pinadala ko nga to sa kaibigan kong nasa abroad kasi very talaga ethnic, very traditional.
Okay, kausapin na natin si Miss Clarissa Di Maculangan, Senior Program Manager ng Mga Likha ni Inay. Ito ba yung isang foundation?
Oo, foundation siya. Para siya, advocacy group ng isang bigger company. Yung CARD, yung Center for Agriculture and Rural Development Business Development Service Foundation.
Okay.
Haba ng pangalan.
Miss Clarissa, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Good morning
Yes.
from
Welcome to the
Pablo,
program.
Laguna.
Kumusta kayo dyan?
Hi, Miss Tess. Hi, Miss Marela.
Hello po. Ano po yung para sa mga hindi pa nakakakita ng inyong produkto, kasi ako nakabili na. Ano ang produkto ng Mga Likha ni Inay?
Actually, yung Mga Likha ni Inay, to start from yung CARD MRI, Center for Agriculture Rural Development, Mutually Reinforcing Institution. So it's actually the fifth institution of CARD MRI. So CARD BDSFI. Pasensya na, masyadong mahaba yung name.
True.
So yung produkto ng Likha ni Inay ay produkto din to ng mga microfinance clients. Right now, we have 1.8 million clients. And nabibilang yung majority ng SKUs nito sa kategorya ng handicraft or non-food products.
Ang name ng inyong foundation talaga is Business Development Service Foundation.
Yes, yes.
Tama ba yun? Kailan ito na itatag, Miss Clarice?
At yes, that's 2008 SEC registered. So under nito yung program ng marketing program and then yung brand name ng mga Likha ni Inay.
Pwede bang i-share mo sa amin yung kwento behind dun sa pagkakabuo ng mga Likha ni Inay din? Ilan ba yung mga miyembro dito at bakit kayo nakapagtayo ng ganitong klase ng foundation?
Yes, actually, kasi matagal na talaga sa vision mission talaga ng company is to really market the products of the clients. So, maisamarkado talaga ito. So, right now, we have regular suppliers ng mga Likha ni Inay na nasa around 181. These are the direct members ng Likha ni Inay na card members din, Card Bank and Card Inc. Pero kung susumahin po yung mga beneficiaries nito sa pamamagitan ng isang value chain per sector, umaabot po ito sa 1,600 beneficiaries.
Marami na rin pala. Nationwide yan.
Yes, actually nationwide siya. And tamang-tama po yung tema natin for mothers. So pwede din, alam ko right now, nationwide kami all over the Philippines and Southeast Asia. Pwede nilang i-endorse yung mothers nila through their microfinance institution, Card Inc. and Card Bank, and then endorse to us, Card BDSFI.
Ayun. Kayo ay senior program manager ng mga Likha ni Inay. Paano kayo napunta dyan sa foundation, Clarice?
Yes, actually, isa ako actually dun sa pumasok right after na maitatag yung foundation. So, ang forte ko is more of really the marketing. So, ini-initiate namin yung concept na to. Right now, under process kami ng IPO. And then, nabuo yung Likha ni Inay dahil na rin doon sa pakikinig namin sa mga clients na gusto nilang isang merkado din yung produkto nila.
May mga success story na po ba ang Likha ni Inay, mga Likha ni Inay sa
Yes,
inyong
actually, we
foundation?
would like to highlight yung isa naming miyembro, si Nanay Elizabeth Agarao, galing sa Lumban, Laguna. As we all know, bali kilala ang Lumban as embroidery capital ng Philippines. So, otok din po ito ng DTI. So, sources natin to ng Barong Tagalog at Saya, may mga telang husi at pinyaklot. So, si Nanay Elizabeth Agarao ay 3 years na disiplinadong miyembro. When we say disiplinado, maganda po yung performance at repayment rate to sa microfinance. And then, in-endorse siya sa amin ng Card Bank. And then, after nun, pumasok siya at naging kwalipikado sa Likha ni Inay. Nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon upang maging regular supplier ng mga barong ng Card MRI at accessories ng mga Likha ni Inay. Sa ngayon po, masasabi namin na successful siya kasi right now, siya na yung nagli-limit nung kanyang pwedeng maging right now, nasa 50,000 yung monthly gross sales niya.
Wow,
Then,
naman.
addition pa with that, na-feature namin siya sa isang modern ethnic fashion collection. And naipadala din namin siya sa Thailand for free.
Ay, yung mga
Award.
barong natin, kalimitan na feature yan sa mga fashion shows, di ba? Maging sa ibang bansa. Isa ba yun sa mga accomplishments nyo, Miss Clarice?
Yes, actually. Kasi siya mismo yung uma-attend ng mismong trade fair. At doon niya i-feature yung mga local products natin. Really local products.
Oo.
Through mga Likha ni Inay, talagang
Yes.
naitaguyod niya ang kanyang sarili. May challenge po ba kayo bilang senior program manager sa Likha ni Inay bilang Eki business ang ating segment? Ano po
Yes,
yung
actually,
pinakamalaking
personally
challenge?
kasi, with yung pagtatayo ng mga Likha ni Inay na mga kiosk, right now we have SM North EDSA and SM San Pablo. Actually, dati kasi sobrang baba nung sales. So, gusto na namin mag-fold up. Sobrang negative lagi. Pero because we want really to help the clients, the members, so
Yung
until
SMEs.
2 years, saka lang siya nag-pick up.
Paano po nyo na-sustain na kung lagi siyang negative, how were you able to manage na
Actually, madaming strategies flyering, When you're inside the mall, kailangan kasi pumantay yung maging sustainable man lang or kahit magkaroon ng pantay man lang na kung may cost ka for the OPEX, dapat kahit pa paano may income ka. So, hindi din kami nag-fold up, and then as a foundation, naghanap kami ng mga partners, institutions. Actually, we regularly outsource DTI for product development. So,
Ayos.
isa yun.
Yes.
And then, strategies din, flyering inside the mall, and other product development.
So, matatagpuan ng inyong mga produkto sa mga malls.
Yes, actually. So, we have SM North EDSA, located at Annex, 3rd floor, and then SM San Pablo.
Nanay ba yung mga miyembro ng foundation, Clarice?
What?
Puro mga nanay?
Yes, opo. Kaya po ang pangalan niya ay Likha ni Inay. So, lahat din kasi mga microfinance borrowers sila.
I see. Doon sa mga interesado na maging miyembro, open ba kayo doon?
Yes, actually, yun lang. Dapat lang po may track record with yung microfinance institution. It's actually an add-on dun sa services namin into borrowing. So, i-endorse siya sa amin. Pero hindi din po namin tinatanggal yung mga lalaki for non-card clients kasi part din siya ng value chain. So, may mga taga-paint din kami. Savers naman namin yun. So, all into one na po yung card MRI. May insurance kami, may loans. So, kompleto na po siya.
I see. Okay. Miss Clarice, baka may mga upcoming events kayong dapat naming abangan, ha? Meron ba?
Oo, sali ka po
Yes,
dyan.
actually, very excited ako actually personally para dun sa isang launching namin. Right now, we have June 1, 2013. Meron kaming relaunching ng Modern Ethnic Collection na fashion show. So, in-outsource namin yung mga local staff. May screening din kaming ginawa. So, dahil, alam mo naman, foundation, ni-screen namin yung mga staff namin. Right now, we have 8,000 staff. Ni-screen namin yun and end up with at least 60 models. And then, pinag-join namin yung communities ng Lumban and yung mga ng Lake Cebu, Mindoro, and South Cotabato. So, it's modern, we call it Modern Ethnic Collection.
Ayan, okay. Abangan namin lahat yan. Maraming salamat for your time dito sa Radyo ng Bayan, Miss Clarissa de Baculangan. At good luck ha sa lahat ng mga nanay. Sana yung marami pa yung maging suki ninyo.
Tama.
Thank you po. Thank you
Ang
so
ganda
much
ng inyong
for the time.
products.
Salamat, ma'am. Thank you
You're
po.
welcome. Good morning. Yan po mga kaibigan, si Miss Clarissa de Maculangan, Senior Program Manager ng mga likha ni Inay.
Hi, ako po si Cheska Arabani galing sa Lyceum of the Philippines University. Ugaling makinig sa DZRB Radyo ng Bayan 738 kHz. Dito, mapapakinggan ang pinakasariwang balita. Dito, lahat ng balita may laman. Dito, hindi ka mahuhuli sa mga pangyayari dahil dito sa DZRB Radyo ng Bayan, konektado ka.
Are you looking for suppliers of fresh and processed food products? Do you want to answer to your consumers' demands for fresh and processed seafood? Are you game enough to tap the lucrative halal food market? Do you want to find food products that will help you maintain a healthy lifestyle? Come and be part of the action in this year's International Food Exhibition Philippines, the premier food sourcing hub in the region for Asia's finest ethnic food and ingredients. The show will open on May 16, 2013 and will last until May 19, 2013 at the SMX Convention Center, SM Mall of Asia compound. Entrance fee is at 100 pesos, but government employees can be inside the venue for free. Discounts are also available for students. We hope to see you at the International Food Exhibition Philippines 2013. See you there. For more information, you can visit www.ifexphilippines.com. The International Food Exhibition Philippines 2013 is brought to you by the Center for International Trade Expositions and Missions, the exporting arm of the Department of Trade and Industry, in partnership with the Department of Agriculture's Agribusiness Marketing Assistance Service.
News and current affairs. Top stories of the day. Business, sports, music, and entertainment. 738. 738. Sa Mega Manila. Mas pinaganda, mas pinalawak, mas pinalakas. Ang bagong radyo ng bayan.
Para-paraan lang.
Okay, sa pagpapatuloy ng Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo, dito sa ating segment na ito, sinubra naman yung ating makakausap, Marela.
Si Miss Denise Gonzalez, isang yummy mommy na... si Chris pala ito, si Chris de Guzman ng So Moms. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng So Moms, Miss Chris?
Hi, Miss Jess, Miss Marella. I'm Chris de Guzman. I'm with Mommy Mundo So Moms. So Moms, ang sabihin ng So Moms ay social media moms. So there's about 14 of us, bloggers na active sa social media. And we got together to form a network to bond and to get our word out to our readers about our advocacies, particularly of the advocacies of Mommy Mundo, and to, give our readers a lot more information on the blogosphere.
Ano yung advocacy nyo na kino-communicate sa inyong social media bilang community of moms?
Well, right now, ang Mommy Mundo kasi maraming advocacy. So, primarily, it's really for mothers na they really started in terms of breastfeeding. So, the main advocacy they have is breastfeeding.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the moms in So Moms are breastfeeding their babies. So, we really talk about information about breastfeeding in our blogs, on our own. And then, meron din kaming other advocacies like mompreneurship. Marami sa amin, may businesses. Even though we are moms, we still have time to create our own businesses. So, isa ding advocacy namin yun to have, time and to make money for our families, but also, create something for our passions. Mm-hmm. So, isa din yan advocacy of Mommy Mundo because part of it is
yes, actually,
mompreneur.
very admirable ang pagiging mom princess dahil sobrang time-consuming ng pagiging mom at pagiging businesswoman.
Oo nga. Tsaka
Grabe.
mahirap yata yun eh. Talagang mga mahilig sa mag-internet yung kanilang mga miyembro,
Yes.
Miss Chris.
Yes.
Baka isipin natin mga listeners, wala na silang time para mag-aruga kay
Oo.
baby o sa kanilang mga kids.
Paano
Actually,
nyo na
hindi
ma-manage?
Oo, kasi ako ay galing akong corporate for about 12 years.
Mhm.
Nagtrabaho ako sa iba-ibang malalaking kumpanya before.
Mhm.
And nung time na yon, siguro papasok akong 7 a.m. Umuwi ako ng mga 9 na ng gabi.
Oh.
So kung nanay ako dati, hindi ko siguro magagawa makita yung mga anak ko kung nandun pa rin ako.
Oh, lumaki na siguro sila nang hindi kayo nasisilayan.
Correct. Pero ngayon na nag-negosyante ako,
Better.
better siya talaga
Yes.
para sa akin. Kahit na it means na 10 o'clock ng gabi, 12 o'clock ng gabi, nagtatrabaho ako para doon sa totoo kong trabaho. Dahil during the day, ang kasama mo yung mga bata or nag-aalaga ka, yung trabaho mo, at least naaayos mo yung time mo na depende on your schedule saka sa schedule ng mga bata.
Yes, tell us about your business naman, Miss Chris. Ano yung balita ko kasi, meron kayong, yung business decision nyo was based on being a mom.
Oo, definitely. I think kasi whenever you start a business, parang kailangan gusto mo talaga siya. And parang you really believe in it. So, when I started this, actually na-discover ko siya sa Vancouver, sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Parang gumaganda yung skin ko, tapos parang feeling ko, bakit parang lambot ng buhok ko? Kasi daw, akala ko yung air sa Canada, di ba? Pero hindi, nag-install siya ng Aquasana shower filter sa banyo niya.
Aquasana.
So, it actually filters the water na nanggagaling sa gripo or nanggagaling sa shower. So, akala mo dati, napakaluho naman nun, di ba? Parang i-filter mo pa yung shower, tsaka yung tubig. Pero naisip ko, oo nga, no, parang maraming chemicals na nilalagay naman sa tubig talaga para luminis. And hindi dapat din yun napupunta sa katawan natin. So, na-realize ko, nga pag tinanggal mo yun, gaganda yung skin mo, gaganda yung buhok mo. Tapos, especially sa mga bata na nagbubukas ng bibig sa shower, di ba? For sure, wala silang pumapasok sa katawan nila na chemicals na hindi maganda para sa maliliit.
Actually, I've never heard of a shower filter before.
I will send you one. Oh.
Okay yan. Para nga naman sa mga kids na hindi mo makontrol, syempre bata, di ba? If they will eat anything, hold anything.
Yes.
And lalo na sa baby, marami tayong naririnig ng mga baby na merong atopic dermatitis, eczema, kasi nga manipis pa yung balat nila.
Sensitive
diba?
yung kanilang skin.
Yes, super sensitive. So, kailangan talaga whatever na madikit sa kanila, whether it's yung baby products, lalong-lalo na yung tubig na mas madalas mong gamitin, kailangan safe pa rin siya and hindi mo alam na parang marami pa rin chemicals na nandun sa tubig natin.
Miss Chris, makakatulong ba sa isang nanay yung, halimbawa, isa siyang negosyante, tapos at the same time, isa rin siyang vlogger o marami siyang mga sharing of experiences na ginagawa sa pamamagitan ng internet?
Oh, definitely. Alam niyo yung Aquasana, hindi ko binibenta sa tindahan or sa hardware o sa mall. Ang benta lang nito galing online.
Yes.
And lahat ng benta online, nanggagaling lang dahil sa blog ko. Pag nag-search ka online ng water filter, Philippines, Manila, ganyan, napupunta siya sa blog ko, OC Mom in Manila, and dumidiretso siya doon sa Aquasana store. So, very important for me na mag-share ka as a mother of your experience. Lalo na yung personal, hindi yung basta benta lang, di ba? Parang yung personal experience mo about the product. Kasi naiintindihan ng ibang tao, bakit mo gustong-gusto yan and bakit ba importante yan talaga.
Tsaka nakakatipid sa physical space, yung rent ng office and employees
Yes,
na
definitely.
ka-hire.
Ang laki ng overhead. So, yun, online. Actually, sobrang daming mompreneurs online. And I think pinakamalaki silang, in terms of online business, maraming nagfe-fail na online business. Pero yung mga mompreneur online, okay ang benta nila.
So for all our listeners out there, what is your blog and what is the address of your
My blog is
website?
ocmominmanila.com.
OC Mom in Manila.
Yes, kasi nga OC, obsessive, dahil natatakot dun sa chemicals. So, yun, kaya siya naging OC Mom in Manila. Nung una, water lang binablog ko, pero after a while, yung pag-iba ng mga OC din na pangyayari. And then, all other social media like Facebook, Twitter, OC Mom in Manila din yung names ko for all.
Alright,
Ayan,
thank you
i-visit
very much.
namin yan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Miss Tess and Miss Marella. Bye.
Morning, si Miss Chris, mga kaibigan. Chris de Guzman, ang ating nakausap. Meron na tayong 33 minutes. Makalipas po ang 8 o'clock. Okay, this time talagang eto na yung ating segmentong ito. Bago yan, paalala po muna kami.
Are you looking for suppliers of fresh and processed food products? Do you want to answer to your consumers' demands for fresh and processed seafood? Are you game enough to tap the lucrative halal food market? Do you want to find food products that will help you maintain a healthy lifestyle? Come and be part of the action in this year's International Food Exhibition Philippines, the premier food sourcing hub in the region for Asia's finest ethnic food and ingredients. The show will open on May 16, 2013 and will last until May 19, 2013 at the SMX Convention Center, SM Mall of Asia compound. Entrance fee is at 100 pesos, but government employees can be inside the venue for free. Discounts are also available for students. We hope to see you at the International Food Exhibition Philippines 2013. See you there. For more information, you can visit www.ifexphilippines.com. The International Food Exhibition Philippines 2013 is brought to you by the Center for International Trade Expositions and Missions, the exporting arm of the Department of Trade and Industry, in partnership with the Department of Agriculture's Agribusiness Marketing Assistance Service.
Affairs, top stories of the day, business, sports, music, and entertainment. 738 sa Mega Manila. Mas pinaganda, mas pinalawak, mas pinalakas. Ang bagong radyo ng bayan.
Ang tipo kong negosyo. Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Mahahanap mo rin ang iyong perfect match, ang negosyong magsisilbing inspirasyon sa iyo at makapagpapaunlad ng iyong kabuhayan. Hindi lang door number 1 number 2 at number 3 ang magbubukas para sa iyo dahil samut-saring business ang matutuklasan sa Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo. Kung saan ka pa naghahanap ng business opportunity, sa akin lang, may opportunity ka na.
Pwede ba kitang abutin? Ikaw kasi ang pangarap ko.
Sa'yo na yung SSS, GSIS, pati na ang PhilHealth ko. Basta, akin lang ang pag-ibig mo
Ang budget ko sa'yo ay limited. Limited edition.
Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. At ngayon, Marel, sino naman yung ating makakausap?
Si Miss Denise, ito na yung totoong Miss Denise Gonzalez. Siya ay co-owner ng Indigo Baby na yung products nila para sa mommies and para sa babies din.
Puro mga negosyanteng mami, yung ating nakakausap ngayong umaga. Miss Denise, good morning. Denise? Asa na siya? Denise? Hello?
Hello?
Wala yata. Sige, kukonekta tayo ulit.
Try natin ang... May naalala ko dun sa pinapakinggan ko yung ating pick-up line. Si Kuya Maynard, kasi diba nakasama natin siya nung nire-record natin yung isa sa mga episodes natin.
Oo.
Kasi first time niyang makasama yung ating programa sa pagre-record. Sobrang benta sa kanya yung pick-up line. Tawa siya ng tawa sa akin.
Ay, ganun ba? So, nakikinig siya ngayon, si Maynard.
Hindi ko sure, pero nung narinig niya yung ating plugs nung nagre-record siya, bentang-benta.
Ayun. Hello, good morning sa'yo, Maynard. At
Morning, Maynard.
naaliw ka ha dun sa mga pick-up lines. Walang gumawa niya na, walang iba kundi si Marela na aking kasama
May kasama
ngayon.
naman
Alam
ako
mo
yung
na.
lalaki. Yung boses lalaki. Hindi naman ako yun.
Ayan, okay na. Nasa line na natin si Miss Denise Gonzalez.
Hello,
Hi, Denise.
hello.
How are you?
Good morning po. Salamat for having me on the radio with you today.
Yes. We're curious, saan po galing ang pangalang Indigo Baby? Bakit Indigo?
Yung pangalan Indigo Baby. Well, when we were starting our business, we were researching about yung mga names na pwede namin gamitin for our business. And we came across yung research about indigo children. So, I'm not so sure if you're so familiar with indigo children, pero yan yung aura, if you believe in energy
Aura.
of children or of people. Yan yung kulay ng aura.
And why is, what is the aura na
Of
indigo? Parang ano yung
Kasi
characteristic?
prior to that, yung color was more of blue, reds, greens. And then nakita nila yung children born after the 1985 onwards, yung kulay ng aura nila was indigo.
Ito yung general aura of
ngayon
babies.
nga, I think yung mga 2,000 up, rainbow na yung kulay ng aura nila. So,
Oo.
nagpalit na.
Naniniwala pala kayo doon, kasi hindi lahat ng moms naniniwala sa mga ganyan di ba?
Yes, yeah. Pero
Oo.
we stuck with it kasi, the word indigo baby was a different word also that we chose, and we just stuck with it, and eventually after 5 years it sort of become like a household name na rin. So people already know that Indigo Baby is, local and organic products for babies.
Ano pang inyong best seller?
Well, yung mga bestsellers na, we have our all-natural bath and body line. So yung mga bestsellers namin dyan, we have the Jar of Hope. It's a first aid gel.
Jar of
na-
Hope.
Yes, Jar of Hope siya. Kasi yung tagline nga niya is, when all else fails, a jar of hope saves the day.
Naks. Oo nga naman.
It's made from blue chamomile gel. And it really saves the day kasi anything on the skin na masakit, mahapde, makate, you can put it on your skin. So even for teething,
Sa gums?
sa gums pwede
Wow.
siya. Singaw,
All organic kasi.
yes,
Yeah,
no
that's
chemicals
nice.
whatsoever. So for babies, it's safe. when you're breastfeeding, tas masakit yung nipples, you can put it there. So that's our first aid gel. So it's something good to have talaga in the house with you. You only need a little every time you use it. So that's
Oo.
one
Locally
of
made ba ang inyong mga products?
Pardon?
Locally made?
Yes. Some of our essential oils are imported kasi we don't grow them here. For example, yung lavender, yung chamomile, they need kasi cold temperature. Pero yung ibang ingredients, yung mga citronella, ganon, those are from here. Pero everything is mixed here by us in the Philippines. Galing.
Sa dinami-dami ng inyong mga products, Miss Denise, ano ba yung pinakamabenta?
Yung pinakamabenta is yung Shoo Fly Don't Bother Me. Insect repellent siya. So, it's a milky lotion insect repellent na concoction siya, mixed essential oils na safe talaga for babies, no chemicals, no DEET. So, kahit kainin ni baby yung kamay niya na may insect repellent, okay lang.
Ay, ang galing.
Oo.
Talagang mabili yan kasi yung mga nanay, di ba, ayaw ipakagat sa
kasi
sa
of
mga
course,
lamok.
diba, dengue scare, rainy season is coming again soon. So, we really need to keep protected.
At saka yung mga
Talaga
usual
yung
na
dengue.
insect repellent ay hindi pwedeng makain or malagay sa mata.
Yeah. The good thing with our insect repellent, aside from it being all natural and safe talaga for newborns and beyond, may lavender din siya. So, nakakaantok din. So, if you put it on your baby's skin
Talagang
and you massage it on them, let's say after nag-shower sila, maantok din sila and then they'll sleep well. So, it's good for that also. And it's also a lotion. So, it's soothing on the
Multitasking
skin.
ang insect repellent. Ang galing-galing talaga.
Yeah, so we have that in the lotion version na pangbalat, and then we also have the home spray version, which is you spray it around the house, sa ilalim ng kama, sa bed ng baby, sa cabinet.
So,
para walang
yung inyong business partner, pwede ba sabay kayo nagka-baby? Kaya po
Yes.
ba Indigo Baby?
Yes, actually, si Monica and I, we were thesis partners nung college.
Mm-mm.
So, I guess we already worked well together. And then, nung after college, nabuntis ako. 1 month later, nabuntis din siya. So, the whole 9 months that we were pregnant, we were consulting each other. Tapos yun, nagpa-panic kami, sabi namin, hala, I don't want to go back to work after I give birth. Parang the idea of leaving our children, our babies with a yaya or with someone else, hindi namin matanggap. Sabi namin, let's start a business na pwede natin gawin sa bahay para kasama natin yung baby namin. We can breastfeed, we can be with them, we can baby wear. And then, so at that time, wala pang mga all-natural and organic products na pang-baby na gawa dito sa Philippines.
Oo. So, meron kayong business partner. Maganda yun, yung na-nurture nyo yung friendship hanggang sa magkaroon kayo ng sariling business, hanggang sa magkaroon ng pamilya. Pero paano nyo napangangalagaan yung negosyo at yung pagiging magkaibigan ninyo? Mahirap ba yung sa punto na yon?
Well, I guess it really depends on your personality and yung mga working styles nyo. Kasi si Monica and I guess we work well together. Communication is very important. We're able to tell each other yung mga opinions without having to fight. We also work well together in the sense na magaling siya sa PR. Ako naman magaling sa computer, parang ganon. So, parang
Yin and yang.
Nagtutulungan talaga kayo.
compensate, yeah.
Oo.
So, like if she has a great idea that she needs to execute it, let's say, on computer or a formal letter, ako yung gagawa nun. And then if I have an idea naman and, she needs to come up with a blog to advertise it, siya yung gagawa.
Pero
So,
in general po, ano ang qualities para maging isang successful WAM or work at home
work
mom?
at home mom. Well, mahirap, you know what, especially with Mother's Day coming, yun nga, being a mom itself is hard work, diba?
Yes,
I'm sure you guys know
definitely.
that. Just being a mom alone is hard work, to take care of your child, to discipline them, to make sure na yung kinakain nila is masustansya and all.
that's already hard. So, when you mix in business and family, yung importante talaga is time management. So, I always say na nung bata pa si Benny, my son, it was so easy to work because I just breastfeed him. Tulog na siya. Half day na yun, di ba? Or, tulog na siya. I can be on my computer the whole day working. Pero now that he's bigger, I also don't like na nakikita niya ako the whole day sitting lang in front of my computer or on the phone. So, time management talaga, I try to limit my working hours to
Even at home.
Yes.
to certain
Ilan ba yung
times
inyong
during the
anak,
day.
Miss Denise?
Yes?
Ilan ang inyong anak?
I just have, one, Benny is 6 years old. He just turned 6. Tapos, ngayon, this month, manganganak na ako to number 2.
May number 2 na.
Yeah, number 2 coming this month. And we just found out yesterday na boy din siya.
Swerte yan.
So, another
Diba?
boy, yeah. So, si Benny may kakampi, may kalaro. Yeah. So, yun. So, I'm gonna have a number 2. And, yun nga, parang, it's been 6 years since I was, carrying a newborn infant. So, we're really excited about that.
Yes. So, para sa lahat ng mga nakikinig na mga ina na hindi makaalis ng bahay or nagsasacrifice para magtrabaho, ito talaga si Miss Denise at iba pa nating guests ngayong araw na to. Pwedeng magstay at home and earn.
Yeah, of course, importante din yung support ng partner mo, yung asawa mo, because when Benny was small, when my son was small, someone told me na, maliit lang sila for a very short time. Konting sacrifice lang to breastfeed, to baby wear, to be with them. Kasi, once they go to school na, tuloy-tuloy na yun, di ba?
Oo.
And once they grow up, that's it. Wala na yung childhood na yun. So, of course, you'd want to be there, to be with them during those most important years of their lives.
Correct.
So, konting sacrifice lang. You can talk to your husband or your partner about it para yung sa funds, yung sa financial side din. Kasi, being a work-at-home mom, hindi siya yung sure ball na successful ka agad, di ba? It's also hard work. Pero, yun, you have to be creative to make ends meet. So,
That's
sacrifice, patience, prayer, lots of trust in the Lord also.
Okay.
Isang huwarang ina talaga si Miss
Denise,
Denise, ano?
yes. Thank you so much, Miss Denise.
Yeah. Okay, I just like to invite everyone to check out our website page. Yeah, it's www.indigobabyshop.com and on Facebook, Indigo Baby.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you for your time, Denise,
Thank you
and
so
advance
much.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day also to all the mommies out there, all the yummy mommies out there.
Happy
Okay.
Mother's Day.
Miss Denise Gonzalez, co-owner ng Indigo Baby. 49 minutes after 8, magbabalik po kami. Sandali lamang po.
Are you looking for suppliers of fresh and processed food products? Do you want to answer to your consumers' demands for fresh and processed seafood? Are you game enough to tap the lucrative halal food market? Do you want to find food products that will help you maintain a healthy lifestyle? Come and be part of the action in this year's International Food Exhibition Philippines, the premier food sourcing hub in the region for Asia's finest ethnic food and ingredients. The show will open on May 16, 2013 and will last until May 19, 2013 at the SMX Convention Center, SM Mall of Asia compound. Entrance fee is at 100 pesos, but government employees can be inside the venue for free. Discounts are also for students. We hope to see you at the International Food Exhibition Philippines 2013. See you there. For more information, you can visit www.ifexphilippines.com. The International Food Exhibition Philippines 2013 is brought to you by the Center for International Trade Expositions and Missions, the exporting arm of the Department of Trade and Industry, in partnership with the Department of Agriculture's Agribusiness Marketing Assistance Service.
News and current affairs. Top stories of the day. Business, sports, music, and entertainment. 738. 738 sa Mega Manila. Mas pinaganda, mas pinalawak, mas pinalakas. Ang bagong radyo ng bayan.
Ang tipo kong negosyo.
Maging produkto ka man.
Ayan, isa pang negosyanteng ina ang ating makakausap. Marel, sino naman siya?
Si Miss Mitzi Uy, ang owner ng Mori Notes. Good morning, Miss Mitzi.
Hi, Miss Mitzi.
Good morning, Miss Tess and Miss Mariela.
Para po sa sa Mori Notes, meron kayong very unique product. Ikwento niyo po sa amin to. At paano niyo siya naisip gawin?
Okay. So, yung Mori Notes Purse Book ay isang produkto na pinagsama ang isang purse or maliit na bag with a notebook in one product lang. So, kasi nung umalis ako sa corporate world, na-discover ko po yung love ko for writing. So, I started to write and started to make my own journals na rin. Then, I thought, why not create journals na rin for other people as a business? Kaya, doon po nag-start. And kasi gusto ko din po makatulong sa ibang mothers na magkaroon ng livelihood. So, doon po nagsimula yung Purse Book Journals.
Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng Mori? Is it Japanese?
It's actually a Hebrew word that means God teaches or ginagabayan ka ng Diyos.
Okay.
Miss Mitzi, anong course yung natapos nyo?
Psychology and advertising po.
Okay. Pero pahilig kayo sa mga journals, ano? Tapos pagsusulat. Ba't hindi nyo naisip na kumuha na lang ng kursong journalism or maging journalist na lang kayo? Para...
Kasi po, usually yung sinusulat ko is what God's teaching me in this University of Life. Nag-start lang yan after I left the corporate world.
Pero isa pa yung passion na na-integrate dito sa business na to ay recycling. How does that come into play with the Mori Notes?
Kasi while I was out of work, I started to create different products like greeting cards, and then nag-bake din ako. And I started like collecting plastics, and then doon nag-start ang paggawa ng different products and soon journals.
Yung sa journals nyo, ano yung mga designs? Kasi I visited the website and there are so many designs. Ano po yung mga themes ninyo?
So, at the present po, meron kaming Philippine line which showcases the Philippine map, the Philippine stamps of different places. And then we also have the summer collection, which includes the bright summer colors with stones po na nakatahe on the purse book.
Okay,
so you can bring the summer line along with you sa travels nyo. Yes. Kasi,
para pwede ka magsulat sa beach. Bagay sa bathing suit. O, diba?
Kahit saan.
Book na yan, pwede yung lagyan ng money, ng cellphone, ng souvenirs inside the purses. So, kahit na yan lang yung dala nyo, pwede na.
Oo, very handy siya. Homemade
Tsaka
ba
hindi
lahat
halata
lahat ng products homemade?
Opo.
Oo.
Kasi like yung first book, hand-stitch siya na ginagawa sa houses po ng partners namin na mothers sa selected barangays in Quezon City.
So, yung mga mothers na participants ng Mori Notes, paano niya sa nahanap?
Nakipag tie up po kami with Sikap Buhay.
Sikap Buhay.
Opo, from the office of Quezon City, Mayor of Quezon City. So,
Yes.
they're helping us connect with mothers na nangailangan din po ng livelihood.
Meron po ba kayo Mother's Day promo?
Actually, we have a tie-up with Jack's Floral Studio wherein if you buy flowers and first book, magkaka-discount po kayo. So, just visit our website sa facebook.com/morinotes.
And then you'll see yung mga products and packages namin.
Ayos. Pero ano yun, para sa mga naghahanap ng gifts para sa Mother's Day, ito po, Mori Notes na may notebook ka na, may flowers ka pa.
Correct. Okay.
Pero okay dun sa Mori Notes, hindi halata, kunyari, maglalagay ka ng pera doon, tapos it just looks like a notebook, di ba?
Oo, so yung mga anak nyo, hindi makukuha yung yung pera nyo, akala nila sulatan lang, di ba?
Tama.
Kung doon nakasingit.
Kung
Kasi may
doon.
mga bata, no, di ba? Lahat ng mong wallet.
Kalat-kalat yung
binubuksan,
pera,
oo.
di ba?
Hingi doon, hingi rito. Diyan hindi obvious di ba?
Correct. Ay, meron pang okay dito sa Mori Notes. Pwede mag-donate sa inyo ng old jeans.
Pwede po, especially yung mga hindi na talaga magamit. Yung may mga butas na, ganyan, para po ma-turn namin into new products. Pwedeng purse book, pwedeng wallet, pwedeng stylish napkin holder, pwede ring denim art necklaces.
Denim art necklaces.
Opo.
Makikita, kunyari ako magdo-donate, makikita ko ba yung finished product niya na parang, wow, this is part of
Pwede po.
parang I was part of this product. Dati ko yung sinusuot. Ngayon ay necklace na siya ng ibang tao. Ganun.
Opo.
Pero ang ganda nung ang ganda nung feeling, 'di ba? Nag-recycle ka na, nakatulong ka pa sa mga mothers for their community.
Yes, maganda yung resulta.
Opo.
So, may deadline ba sa pagdo-donate? Or
Wala
hanggang summer lang
naman
ba to?
po. Continuous thing siya.
Okay lang ba kung, kunyari, medyo tattered na yung jeans, medyo may punit na siya, okay lang ba yun?
Okay lang po yun. Kasi usually we use scrap po for different types of products.
Pero jeans lang ang pwedeng i-donate.
At the present po.
Okay.
Jeans.
Ayan, okay. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank
Hope
you, Ms.
can visit
Mitzi.
our Facebook.
Happy Mother's Day!
Okay, kayo din po. Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, ingat kayo palagi.
Thank you.
Si Miss Mitzi Uy naman, owner ng Mori Notes, ang ating nakausap. Naku, 2 minutes na lang bago mag 9 o'clock.
Lagi nangyayari.
Bago tayo tuluyang magwakas, Barel, sa rin napaka-abangan pa.
Okay, para Lolit Solis lang, Every Friday and Saturday of May, set up weekend market at the UP Institute of Small Scale Industries. Very interesting. Sa Diliman lang to, showcasing various products sa Rizal-based micro and small medium food processors. Tapos sa May 12, 8 Longganisa Festival, o yun, nasabi nila, Longganisa Festival sa Lukban. Tapos merong Grand Sagala sa May 14 sa Quezon.
Okay.
At Lambanog Night sa Tayabas, Quezon na May 14 din. Tapos ito for business people, skills upgrading on fish processing, May 14 to 15. And sa PDDCP, marami silang activities for those na gustong mag-OJT. Ayan.
Abangan
Puntahan
lang
niyo.
lahat ng yan. Okay? Alright. Maraming salamat po for tuning in dito sa programang Ang Tipo Kong Negosyo ngayong May 10, 2013 episode namin. Maraming salamat sa inyong ginawang pagsubaybay. Thank you kay Engineer Lita De Los Santos at sa ating nakasama sa production side si Miss Marjorie Posas. Maraming salamat, Marge.
Yes, binibideo niya ako ngayon.
At kami po ang inyong mga nakasama. Ako si Tess Ramirez.
At ako po si Marela Castro.
Hanggang sa muli.
Goodbye!
Bye!